Hello everyone, welcome to Drawliper channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to see draft on Instagram. Now the first thing you have to do is open Instagram. Now from here tap on this plus icon. Now from here if you want to see draft, first you have to make a draft post. So if I select a picture from here, then tap on next, then tap on next again. Now from here write any caption, then tap on OK. Now from here if you go back, then tap on this icon again. Now from here tap on save draft. Now if you close Instagram, then go to Instagram again, then tap on this plus icon. Now here you can see the draft option and you can see your draft post from here. And that is how you can see draft on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.